Now we are going to locate all the SQL statements that are coded in any platform, any system, any language. We do have a saved query for that. And there's an example here for SQL usage. This will search the code for all the SQL commands we're interested in. And we can search the entire system. This is quite a heavy search, might take a few seconds. And we get the results, and we know that there are SQL commands in all these data types, in SAP, in COBOL, in C, in Java. And any one of these we can just click and look at all the SQL commands. This is how we find all the SQL commands in the entire system, and we know it's affecting 25,000 members, totaling about 110,000 lines.